Good Thursday! Tamale appetizers, because they're fun. These are tomatoes from Pico de Gallo. I thought I could fit more on there, but they only take one tomato. So let's do it. Tamale. Tamale bites, appetizers. Here we go. Mmm. Yummy. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Tamale bite appetizers. Mmm. Mmm. That's delicious. That's store-bought guacamole. You can make your own. And I meant to buy some beer. Damn it! Whoa. This is fun, man. Mmm. Mmm. That's delicious. That's my dinner. It's a little less than 2 tamales. You want to cut them about a ½ inch thick. Why did I freeze them? Sometimes they want to break apart. So if you freeze them for 15 minutes, makes them easier to cut. Oh, this was fun. Oh, this is yummy. And you want to grate the cheese really fine so that it doesn't overpower the Tostitos bite-sized chips. Mmm. Oh, yeah. And you can nuke them. You don't have to put them in the pan. I just wanted to warm them up. That's all. You don't want them to be hot when you put them on the guacamole, so let them sit on the plate for a couple minutes. Oh, thumbnail. You watching TV? You want some Tostitos tamale bites? Hey, thanks for joining me this Thursday. You know what I'm going to say. What am I going to say? Mmm. 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 Oh. Thanks for watching.